Baklo ito. Doon mo madi pinagpakabit sa jacket.
Father's Day. Father's Day po sa 1334 Legacy Street.
Kasama namin.
Mamaya yan, nakalabas na yan.
Mayat na pa-plaster na nagito yung selfie.
Nakalabas na yan mamaya, bossing. Nakalimutan ko yan. Father's Day po ngayon. It's like June 21, I think, right? May mga kaibigan tayo from BC. Kaibigan natin from Montreal. Kumusta naman ang Montreal, brother? At salamat naman at nakapunta kayo rito. Yan.
Okay naman,
Nadalaw kayo.
medyo mainit na ngayon.
Yeah, thanks for coming. Kaibigan natin from British Columbia, Vancouver. Ayan.
Ay no, Sparwood.
Expound pala, yeah. Ito naman from Quebec. Yan, kaibigan natin from Quebec. Thanks for coming, bro. Yeah, for you. Yan, dito kasama natin naman from Montreal.
Bonjour!
Yan. Si sister sa Calgary ito. Ayan. Calgary girls. Yan, dito. Taga Montreal din, I think.
Happy Father's Day.
Father's Day, yan.
Happy Father's Day po.
And then, ayan. Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming. See you soon, brother, sa fishing natin. Thanks for coming, Masa.
This school. This school.
Kumanta ka ng sister.